Hi everyone, I wanted to show you real quick how you can easily create a privacy policy for your Duda website using our new Clawdia application. So let's get to it. So I'm going to go to the edit mode of my website. This is my test website. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go to the App Store and I'm going to install Clawdia. So at the moment, Clawdia has a free plan, so I'm going to use that. So I'll click choose. Great, successfully signed in. And now you should be automatically signed into your Clawdia web application. So in here, I'm gonna search for privacy policy. So that here is it. Here it is. And here I'm gonna fill in the details of the privacy policy. So Clawdia has a really nice wizard that you can follow, and in order to generate your privacy policy. So I'm just gonna fill it in. So this is like an example. Yeah, and I'm gonna do this. So example as well. Yeah, I'm gonna offer support by email. So let's do privacy.example.com. You should really pay attention to the different questions. At the moment, I'm just going to show you how I'm going to quickly run over these questions, but on a real scenario, you should pay attention to what we say here. And okay, let's say I do this. No, no. Yes, so this is our basic questions about whether you gather data or where do you store information. I'm going to simply skip those. Great. So now I've finished filling out my privacy policy, and now it's ready to be embedded to my website. So first you have like a button here which shows how you're gonna how you should embed our privacy policy. I'm gonna show you right just now. So what you need to do is you need to go to pages. And you need to create a new page for your privacy policy. So you need to create a blank page. So this is important. And for now, I'm going to simply call it privacy policy. Click add. Great. So now I have like an empty page. And the crucial thing here is that we have a widget that you need to drag into your website, into your page. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to drag the Clawdia widget to my page. Great. So now you should see, we see a drop-down here, and you see that there is one privacy policy ready to be embedded to my page. So this is like my privacy policy, and I'm going to click it. And voila, this is like my privacy policy. And if I want to make changes, I can go back and do them. And yeah, so basically that's it.